So today's video is all about how to lower your Christmas tree. If you don't put gifts under your tree, or if you don't like a lot of dead space under your tree, then this could be a solution for you. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So my husband cut off the bottom of the pole because I want the tree to sit closer to the ground. If you've ever put up a flocked tree, you'll know what a mess they make. So I'm just gonna put this blanket that I no longer use down to catch all the artificial snow. And then I'm just gonna wrap it up around the bottom of the tree to make it fuller under the tree. And we'll see how this works, how close to the floor it gets. Okay, that's better. And I like to go ahead and plug it in as I'm putting the tree up, just to make sure my lights are working. And I've got this handy little plug that has a light switch with it. That way when I want to turn the lights on my tree, I just have to hit the switch, as long as my tree is plugged into this. Now I'll hit the switch. There we go. I also like to spread out my limbs as I go. Make it fuller. These bottom limbs, I'm gonna push them down just a little bit to make them kind of droopy, to make it look like it's closer to the ground. I think I'm just gonna push all the branches down just a little, because I like that drooping effect, almost like the snow is weighing down the tree.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays.
So then I'm gonna just take this blanket, just kind of bring it up under it. I'm going to use this fuzzy blanket, use the Sherpa side, because it looks like snow. I'm going to stuff it up around there. And just stand back and have a look, and there you go. Looks like the tree is lower to the ground. I don't put gifts under my tree, so I love this look a lot better, rather than having empty space under your tree. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how I decorate this tree, and I put artificial snow on there, and this is what I'm going to use, these little dusters. So be sure and check out the next video and watch how I decorate this wooden Christmas tree.